Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today we are making a very simple recipe with just a handful of ingredients, yet very flavorful and simple and easy to make too. This tomato onion gravy, this side dish is so simple, but everyone at home will think that you ordered it online. Very tasty too. I have just taken 2 onions, 2 tomatoes. I'll be using a spoon of this ginger garlic paste and some basic masalas available at home. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Now slice the onions and add to it. Saute the onions till they become golden. Now the onions have become soft and golden. Add in a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute this also till the raw smell goes away. Now add in the chopped tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt. I am also adding some kashmiri chilli powder for added color. Now cook everything well together till the oil separates. Keep the flame from low to medium. See, when the oil starts separating, now just add a splash of water to it and simmer everything for 5 minutes. It has been simmering on a low flame for about 5 minutes now. See how it has reached the perfect consistency and boiling well. Now we can switch this off. Mix it all well together. Finally, for that richness, I am adding 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. Remember, busy morning, so I am using only store-bought coconut milk. We don't have time to extract fresh coconut milk. This gravy is for busy mornings basically. And there, your absolutely delicious tomato onion gravy, perfect side dish for busy mornings is ready. If you don't have coconut milk, don't worry at all. Just take a tablespoon of curd, fresh curd, beat it well, add it to the gravy and switch it off. Today I have some steaming hot idiyappam to go with this tomato gravy. And we'll serve it with this tomato onion gravy, a perfect combo for idiyappam. This side dish is light, flavorful and perfect with chapati or puri too. I hope you enjoyed this simple side dish with just a handful of ingredients. You have nothing else at home, just 2 tomatoes, 2 onions, basic masalas and it is done and ready. So thank you for watching the video. Please share the recipe with your family and friends. Subscribe to Gita's Kitchen. And do definitely tune in tomorrow also for our next episode of 30 days, 30 side dish recipes. Thank you for watching.